When we edit in Audacity, we have editing tools that are very similar to ones that we use in documents and in graphic design, and then we have some that are very different. Today I'm looking at deleting a clip out of the recorded audio that I don't want. I'm going to start with the selection tool or Control F, and I'm going to click just after the 1 minute mark, specifically at about 1 minute 2 seconds, and I want to delete to about out here. Um, First, I'm going to just click and drag to select all of that, and I can delete it a few different ways. Cut will take it out, and that would allow me to paste it somewhere else. Control X or the scissors. Delete, just the delete button will delete it, or Control K will delete it and bring everything back in together, and now that's gone. Control Z is a great undo, and I'm going to bring that back in, and it's still there. And now instead, I'm going to click once to set a line between right there between the audio that I want to keep and the audio that I want to get rid of. And I'm going to split it. Under Edit and Clip Boundaries is Split. You can see that's Control I. Control I. Split it gives us that dark line there. Now I can switch tools and use the Time Shift tool, F5, to get that, and I can click and drag to move this section apart and have an empty section in between these two audio clips. I can bring them back together, and now I will go back to the selection tool and click here, the other point, the end point of what I want to delete, and I can again use Control I or go to the Edit and Boundaries and put in that dividing line. Again, I can move this if I want. And now I can go back to the select tool and select this section. Um, I would listen to it to make sure it's exactly what I want to get rid of, and I'm not getting rid of anything I don't want to lose. And now I can delete it, and it automatically brings these back. Um, I can use under Edit and Clip Boundaries, Join, Control J will bring those back together, and it's like that piece was never gone. It's all one big uh, file here in one big track, one selection. Um, and then of course I can highlight with the selection tool, and I can copy with Control C or use the copy option here, Control C, and then I can put that anywhere I want. So I'm going to use the selection tool to select out here at the end and use Control V, and I can paste it there, or I can paste it here. Use Control Z to undo each of those. I don't really want that. I could also put it so that it overlaps with audio that I already have by adding a new track. And I would add a new, this is a mono track. So I would add a new mono track, and then I can click down here and have two different layers that would have the same audio, and I can move that wherever I want with the move tool. But that will show you how to split and join parts of your track, delete parts that you want to take out, copy and paste like normal in most tools.